Today we're going to be learning how to add an HTML link to a text or sentence in your website. So we are going to be adding the word nests. We're going to be adding the link around this word nests, so that when someone clicks on this nest, they will be taken to another page on your website. So when you add the link on this word, this word will become blue and it will carry an underline. That's to show you you've added a link around this nest. So this is the simple HTML link. This is how to write it. So we're going to be placing this link around the word nests. So now you can see we've placed the link around this nest now. So the word nest now will turn blue. You can see it. It shows you this word is carrying an HTML link around it. But if you click it, it will not take you anywhere because you've not added the destination where you want the link to take you to. So now we've added the destination where we want this link to take us to. That's the contact.html. So now if you click on this word now, you will be taken to that destination page that we wrote there now. That's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.